In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Dominos discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here, you will have to search for Dominos discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that you can use in order to get some discounts. For example, right here, let's say if you want to get this one with $20 discount, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy and use it in order to get the discount. Also, we have right here this website, which is called terminal.com. And right here, we will also have some promo codes and deals that you can see that you can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this promotion right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says share code. And here is your promo code that you can copy from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this promotion. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.